cutthroat piece of content you've ever seen these creators in. And the first challenge starts right now. Pull the curtain! You guys are not ready for this. For challenge number 1, you can temporarily walk out of the cube and attempt a free throw. And if you make the shot, we will give a subscriber of yours a free Cybertruck, and you'll be allowed back in the challenge. But if you miss, your subscriber gets nothing and you are eliminated.
How did they get this many Cybertrucks in one place?
I cannot make that shot. It's too risky.
Free throw is so easy. Free throw is easy. I could not hit a free throw to save my life.
Everyone was on the edge, trying to decide if the first challenge was worth it.